So we have to get the old gasket stain, if you want to call it that, like that. We have to get it off. New sensor goes in the new seal, and I just place the connector, the connector just over here, so it can be pressed in easily. It doesn't sit in the way. But we have to get it like finish, like over here. This side I did already, and we'll clean it up with the fine scotch and just rub it long enough until it's a mirror finish. When you can no longer feel the lines with your finger, it's perfect. That's the best way to check it. But of course, if you can get it to a mirror finish, that's even better. That's really perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just everywhere the gasket goes has to be clean. And after we're done with this, we just hit it with some paper, with some rags, with brake cleaner, and just degrease it. Also on top of here, did already, where the gasket is, that you have to spray. You have to lay down a liquid gasket here on the sensor when you press it in, because over here there's no gasket on the new crank seal. The gasket of the crank seal, in fact. So that's a little bit yeah, it's not really tricky, but just lay down a nice line everywhere it connects here until the other side of the rubber gasket that's on there. But it has to be clean, and if you can degreased, then you're sure that you're having no leaks at all. And keep on rubbing.